So most entrepreneurs, they treat marketing like they're gambling. They're pulling levers, they're praying something hits, and when it doesn't, they blame ads or the algorithm and they say it doesn't work, and then they quit and go home. But the brands that win, and I mean like really freaking win, they play two games at the same time. The short game that pays the bills, and then the long-term marketing game that makes them absolutely untouchable. And today I want to talk to you about both and using one of the sneakiest, smartest moves in marketing history. You ready? All right. So in the 1970s, Nestle wanted to sell coffee in Japan. But there's a problem there because Japan did not want coffee at all. They had a total tea culture, which was older than half the other countries on the map. And coffee tasted bitter to them, foreign. There was no nostalgia, there was no emotional imprint. So Nestle hires Dr. Clotilde Repelli, a French child psychologist. And this man tells them the most powerful and simple rule that he operates by, which is you don't sell habits, you build them. Adults weren't going to suddenly wake up and want coffee. So he did something kind of diabolical. He went after the children, coffee flavored candies. He made all these different sweet desserts that were coffee flavored, all kinds of desserts and candies and stuff that kids would want, you know? Low stakes, low resistance, and very easy entry. He wasn't selling coffee though, he was building a future generation of coffee drinkers. So, fast forward 20 years, those kids grow up, and boom, in the 1990s, Japan becomes a multi billion-dollar coffee market. That is the long game, a slow burn that ends with generational dominance. But during those 20 years, Nestle didn't stop selling. They sold in the short term as well. They did both immediate revenue plus generational imprint. And that is the move. So, for the short game for you, this is what you can do today. So, these are quick wins that are like inject cash flow by Thursday tactics. Number one is optimize your freaking offer. Most of you don't need more leads. You actually need an offer that doesn't suck. So, audit the crap out of it and make it better. Number two is fix your messaging for one ICP, not five, because clarity sells faster than charisma every single time. Short form content with direct CTA. So don't be cute, tell people exactly what to do. Number four, retarget your warm traffic. Your almost buyers are way cheaper than cold strangers. Number five, drop a micro offer, a $27 to $97 product that turns strangers into buyers instantly and makes every single funnel cheaper. These are not long term strategies. These are simply like ignition switches that you can flip on right now. And here's some extra long game strategies that future proof businesses do. So, number one is create emotional imprints. So, not just transactions. Nestle didn't build a customer. They built a craving, a nostalgia, right? A memory. Number two, brand consistency over time. If your brand pivots every 4 freaking months, no imprint can possibly form. Number three, become part of their identity. So think about people who drink Starbucks. They're not just someone who drinks coffee, they're Starbucks people. Number four, build community, not just followers. People stay where they feel seen. So build a stage with your social media, with your brand for your followers. Number five, compound your content. Every day you publish, you're building more and more, a library, if you will, of trust. The long game is definitely slower, less sexy, but it's the only reason you get to keep winning 10 years from now. So, to wrap things up, you don't choose between the short game or the long game in marketing. You play both. The short game gives you like oxygen and cash flow. The long game builds your legacy. Anyone can make a sale, only the strategic will survive in this day and age. I'm Amanda, and if you liked this video, do me a huge, huge favor and please subscribe, like, and share however the spirit moves you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.